Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Fusion, 2017 to 2020? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2017 Ford Fusion contains fuses and relays that control various interior electrical functions such as power windows, interior lights, infotainment, and climate control. It includes both mini and micro fuses for efficient circuit protection. Each fuse is labeled for easy identification and replacement. The box is designed for quick access to maintain or troubleshoot cabin electronics. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2018 to 2020 Ford Fusion houses fuses and relays that manage key interior systems like power seats, lighting, infotainment, and climate controls. It uses standardized mini and micro fuses for circuit protection and easy serviceability. Each fuse is clearly labeled to aid in troubleshooting and replacement. The layout supports efficient organization of electrical components. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2017 Ford Fusion protects high-power systems such as the engine control module, ABS, cooling fans, and fuel system. It contains high-current fuses and relays designed to handle critical power distribution. Components are clearly labeled for easy identification and maintenance. The box is built to withstand heat and vibrations from the engine bay. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 to 2020 Ford Fusion manages power distribution to essential systems like the engine control unit, transmission, ABS, cooling fans, and fuel pump. It includes high-current fuses and relays designed for durability under high heat and vibration. The fuse layout is organized and labeled for efficient troubleshooting. Its design ensures reliable performance of critical powertrain components. Engine compartment fuse box. The bottom section of the engine compartment fuse box in the 2017 Ford Fusion contains integrated high-current fuses for essential systems like the starter and alternator. It is designed for permanent, factory-installed protection and is not serviceable. The bottom section of the engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 to 2020 Ford Fusion houses non-serviceable high-current fuses for critical systems like the battery and starter circuits. It provides durable, built-in circuit protection. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.